Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, your practical public speaking mentor, best-selling author of I Love Public Speaking and creator of Rock the Stage, which is the #1 most practical public speaking course for subject matter experts. Here is an idea. Thank people on a regular basis. That's right, thank people on a regular basis. And the reason I say that to you is because it's very important that you let people know that you're thankful to them. So often we take people so granted that we don't really thank them, because we think, okay, if we thank them, they're gonna think we are foolish or stupid, they'll say, don't thank me. But it's very important for you to thank everybody on a regular basis, because it's very important for you to acknowledge their behavior. So it's time for you. One of the things I do every single day is when I wake up in the morning, I text 5 people at least thanking them. Not the same people every day, but you see, 5 people a day. I'm thanking 150 people per month just via text message. Then I call them, I thank them, text them, thank them, meet them, thank them on a regular basis. I write handwritten notes. Why? Because I want to make sure people understand my gratitude. I'm grateful. I'm a grateful person in my life. I'm a peaceful man in my life. That's my tip for you. So today, at least send one text to one person right now thanking just after watching the video. Do that and let me know via email that you have done that, and I'm going to send a gift to you. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
Hey guys, I'm Srinivasan. I work for an IT industry based out of Chennai. I think before I came for this, the session or the course, I used to have the problems of, getting stuck, while I present generally. I think, in the last 2 days of, I think Vishal session was, quite informative and quite educative, for me in terms of, understanding our core problems with respect to the presentation. So, in fact, we could learn several good techniques on presentation, and when we adopt them in our daily life, I'm sure we all will become a successful public speakers.
Hi, I'm Sumant here. I'm a chartered accountant. I'm into practice from last 5 years. This is the 6th year of practice for me. My 2 biggest challenges were, I know I'm good, but at the same time I know I can be better. And I wanted somebody who can get this better version of me, best version of me. And I know it's a process. I wanted somebody to handhold me and unlock that potential in me. Right? 2 of my biggest learning in this conference, one is it's okay to be imperfect. You need not be perfect. Right? You gotta take actions. Right? Even if you're imperfect, take the imperfect actions. You will reach way far ahead than somebody who is trying to perfect himself and then take the action. So that's the biggest learning for me.
Hey guys, if you want to be part of the mastermind group or the confident speaker conference, don't think, look back, take action, be an action taker. Just like me, 3 years back, I was in a miserable state. I was not able to connect with my audience, my clients, even my team members for that matter. Today, I make an impact with my presentations.
It is going to help me, because I think I would carry forward this what I have acquired now, and it is going to remain with me. It's just like any other skill. It would definitely help me. I'm very positive about it. The biggest challenge was fear of public speaking, and then when I googled last year from Kochi, I got Bishal sir's address and I contacted. And I saw some of the videos that really went into my heart, the way Bishal sir spoke, the passion. He had lived that pain, and I could feel that. And then sitting there, I thought, will it be possible for me to go to Bangalore and do this? Or just, I remained in contact. I used to get emails and all. And then it went on. Today, it happened. I live in Bangalore now, so it was possible. I could come here, and I'm thankful for this space. Vishal sir, I'm thankful. The passion you show towards everyone. We can all sit back and talk many things, big things, but what Vishal sir is doing is helping people out of it. I feel privileged to be here.
So I already have a plan, which can make me a millionaire, right? So I know that, but I've been procrastinating it, and I think the program which I attended today, and hopefully I'll be doing a further course with Bishal, and I think that's going to take me a long way, and I'll be able to achieve what I thought I'm going to achieve, right? I recommend this course to all of you. There are many people like me, like who knows their potential, but just knowing the potential is not enough. The knower in you and the doer in you is different. To bring out the doer in you, attend a course like this, have a mentor like him, and I'm sure he will unlock the doer in you and get the right things out of you. I think the way Bishal puts this to you, right? So it's not that, it's the knowledge that he has gained with books, right? It's something which he has got with experience. And we all know when somebody talks out of experience, it makes a lot of impact, right? So it's not just the words which he has learned and in the videos which he has seen. He has experienced every bit of it, and every knowledge that we are gaining from him is through his experience. I think that creates a larger impact on you, and it really makes you feel transformed.
This course I would recommend to anybody who is experiencing that fear of being in front of people, and speaking their heart out. It would be such a great help, of tremendous help to them. Because many people suffer because there are a lot of ideas, there are a lot of things, they want to talk out. Because each human being is unique, and if they can have this skill, feeling the feeling of comfort to speak in front of anybody, any size of audience, I think that would definitely help any individual to live that life, life of happiness which they all secretly want to live. This course was just like, it is not the kind of academic learning which happens. You get to learn a lot of theory and nothing happens actually practically. But this course is like, it is bang on, you get to do what you just get to learn, and then you can practice it. So it is like you just learn and you do, and then it remains with you. It remains with you because you have learned it by doing it.
For the champion.